Give the floor to Cora Agovida for 1.5 minutes from Gabriela, Philippines.
I'm Cora Agovida, Deputy Secretary General of Gabriela. I speak before you on behalf of women human rights defenders, rural, indigenous, LGBTI women, health workers, and those who continue to seek justice for comfort women are attacked, arrested, threatened, disappeared, and killed for exercising our civil, political, and economic rights. We defend our ancestral domain from corporate-led development. We serve as frontliners in times of calamities, serve as refuge and aid for women victims of gender-based violence, and in doing so, are red tagged, accused of being enemies of the state. We who assert our political participation are attacked for challenging a patriarchal, misogynist government. Repressive policies such as the Executive Order 70 and the anti-terror law are used to further the attacks against us. The state maintains a culture of impunity. The continuous attacks are a testament of its blatant dismissal of the CEDAW Committee 2016 recommendation to investigate and prosecute all acts of violence against WHRDs. From Duterte to Marcos Jr., thousands of women have been attacked, 66 extrajudicial killings, 7 enforced disappearances, 162 political prisoners, and 16 charged with acts of terrorism. Not one state actor has been punished. Here I stand before you, a former political prisoner myself, while so many WHRDs remained in prison, such as Leila de Lima, who has yet to attain freedom and justice. We call on the CEDAW Committee to urge the state to protect WHRDs and revoke repressive policies.